In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove dust spots in Darktable. Darktable doesn't have a one-click dust removal feature like some other editors, but it gives you precise control with the Retouch module. This is the standard, reliable way to clean up sensor specks, dust spots, and tiny distractions without leaving visible traces. Start in the darkroom view with the photo you want to fix. Look for the Retouch module on the right panel and enable it. If you don't see it right away, use the module search bar to find Retouch. This module replaces the older spot removal tool and gives you 4 key tools in one place: heal, clone, fill, and blur. Together, they cover everything from subtle touch-ups to more exact copying, and they're designed to blend naturally with your image. For typical dust spots, choose the Heal tool first. Heal is great for tiny blemishes because it blends both texture and color. Zoom to at least 100% so you can see the specks clearly, then click directly on a spot to place a correction. Darktable will automatically pick a source area to sample from, but you can refine that by dragging the source circle to a clean area with similar tone and texture. Make your brush slightly larger than the dust spot, so the edge blends smoothly. If you notice a mismatch in gradients, drag the source to a better area. A nearby, similarly lit patch usually works best. If Heal gives you odd halos or smears, common along sharp edges or patterned surfaces, switch to Clone. Clone copies the source area exactly, so it's perfect when you need a precise match. The trade-off is that it can repeat patterns, so move the source around to avoid obvious duplication. Again, keep your brush just big enough to cover the flaw without affecting surrounding detail. After you've removed the spots, you can optionally use fill or blur for smoothing. Fill can help even out slight tone variations in very uniform areas, while a light blur can soften tiny inconsistencies that remain after healing or cloning. Use these gently. Lower opacity and small targeted strokes keep results natural. Work methodically. Pan across the image, especially skies and flat backgrounds where dust is easiest to see. Use multiple small corrections rather than one large one, and always compare before and after to ensure the texture still looks realistic. With the Retouch module's Heal, Clone, Fill, and Blur tools, you can quickly clean your image while maintaining a natural, seamless finish.